34 million property here at Uptown Bonifacio.
This is Uptown Arts Residence and it will be ready by 2025. Let's have a quick tour.
Hi, welcome to your 84 square meters 2-bedroom unit here at Uptown Arts Residence. Come, let's check this. Well, upon entry, you will be greeted with your kitchen. This is semi-furnished, tractable faucet na, and then backside sink. And also, you have here an oven included as well, and an induction cooktop with range hood. This is your spacious living area that you can enjoy and put some entertainment system, a good couch and a table, and even a dining area right over there. Could be a good design that you want to. It also comes with the cabinets already and a inverter aircon by Daikin right over there. Sanitary fitting, mirror, sink, closet, and then water bidet, panoramic view right over here. Imagine you're on the higher floor, you could enjoy the whole view of BGC, Makati, or whatever you like that you want to see right over here. So if you want to know more about this tour, let's check Gerald on the other side.
Thank you, Ben. And ngayon, nandito ako sa Uptown Arts Residence at ipapakita ko sa inyo yung hotel type na lobby ng Uptown Arts. Let's go. Tingnan nyo naman guys, oh. Parang 5-star hotel na talaga. So if you want to maghintay sa mga guests, you can actually use here. So if you have a guest, pwede din dito. Yeah, so you can ask for officers here if you have a guest.
And that's it for our quick tour here at Uptown Arts Residence. Once again, I'm Ben.
I'm Gerald,
And if you want to know more about the property, don't forget to message us on the details provided. Once again, reserve a unit here at Uptown Arts Residence. Inquire now!